Hey guys, Ruben Nurses at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you are a loyal viewer, I love you so much. And for today's video, ang i-react natin is Yes P-Pop, Philippine Pop. Hulaan nyo. SB19A. Yung bagong release nila na Bazinga. I don't know how to pronounce that, but Bazinga or Bazinga. Let's do reaction videos. I was so shocked sa video na to kasi you know what, why? Kasi nga English siya, and kasi you know what, every time pag SB19 Tagalog yung mga ano nila, pero this one English at meron ding rap. Abangan din natin yan. So ano pang iniintay natin? So let's go. Yan na nga. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, damn. Every day, da 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 dan 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 da da da, diba? Alam ko na. Tapos the last part yung di ko itutuloy. So damn, I liked it. I mean, SB19, pakiramdam ko si Pablo na naman ng ano nito. Si Pablo yung writer ng ano to, ng song na to. Di ko alam, pero guys, let me i-orient ako sinong nag-write nito. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda. You know what, lyrics pa lang to, ha. Talagang okay. Let's continue. Go. Rap, damn. Damn. Oh, damn, sino yun? Bazinga. Damn, gasoline now. I mean, yeah. So, wait, the first word pa lang na, anong first word nga? Nakakainis yung, basta yun. Tapos, ganun. Tapos meron pa, what the, it's a fire. I mean, it's really fire. So, damn, I cannot wait for, you know what, seconds pa lang siya, pero what, I think this is better than what nila, diba? This is so cool. I mean, I am so looking forward sa kanilang music video na to. Iniintay natin to. So let's continue. Go. Yeah. Legacy. Damn. Get to me. Don't admit it. Ooh. I just a load gets heavy. The world is load her steady everywhere. I think the cures and stop this. Ooh. Oh damn, talagang I am. And for sure, man, solid to. Ang solid niya. Pakiramdam ko, this is pretty amazing. Di ko alam kung ganito pala kaganda yung SB19. I mean, yung kanta ng SB19, this is what I am looking for. Like, sige, let's continue na. Go. Bazinga, gasolina, la linga, just turn up the heat, turn the second linda, wata. Ooh, you know what? I always stop, and yung beat, dun talaga ako na-amaze. Dun tumama yung Uy, ang ganda, ang galing. Tapos, the rhyme, ay, ang ganda ng rhyme nila. Yung pa-rhyme-rhyme nila. Definitely, sir, amazing. So, yeah. Sorry kung always ako mag-stop, pero I enjoyed watch it talaga. So, maybe let's continue watching. Go. Look at you, look at you. Ooh. Look at you, look at you. Peekaboo. Ooh, hey. Oh, stop. Oh my God. Alam mo naman, pag rap, amaze na amaze ako doon. I cannot. Kakainis. This is lupet, min. Ang lupet. Sige, let's continue na lang. Ay, nako, sorry kung I stop. Pero talagang I am so in love with this music. Pakiramdam ko ito yung pinaka-favorite na song ko aside sa Mapa. Yeah. So, let's continue. Sino to? Sino to? Tanda mo ba? Ang taas ng boses. Sino to? Sino yun? Damn, I cannot. Wag mo na. Wag na talaga. Steg, nauubusan na ako ng compliment dito. Ang ganda nga, Steg. Ang galing. Philippines, ang galing mo talaga. Ang galing mo. Sorry, pero let's continue talaga. Go. Basinga, gasolina, yeah, apayalinga, yeah, you turn it up the heat and burn that all your day, yeah, fish to be put up, yeah, just get this finger, you kill it. Hey! Damn. Sana nga manotice ako ng mga SB19 fans out there. Kahit isa lang, yeah. I cannot imagine. Yeah, so let's continue. Parang papatapos naman to. Sige, let's go. Go. Look at you. May ganun talaga. Ooh. Damn. KO. SB19 wins. What? I mean, that was pretty amazing. Hello, thank you. That's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please like, and please do comment na lang din if you have something to tell, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe to my channel for more SB19 reactions.